Let me ask you a question. Are you still switching back and forth between web pages to generate, download files, and import textures, all while wanting to use AI to texture your models? The current tools are too inefficient and disorganized. Well, this tool can help you complete the entire workflow directly inside Blender. First, you can generate images with AI directly in Blender. You can use Nano Banana or GPT Image 2.0 to enter prompts, attach reference images, select aspect ratio, size, and quality, and the generated results go straight into Blender's node workflow in one step. The generated textures can also be reused or mixed with existing textures to continue generating new ones. For example, if you're designing embroidery, you can build your model in Blender, apply AI-generated embroidery patterns directly, and instantly see how it looks. If the pattern isn't right, just change the prompt. If the color is off, adjust it. If the style doesn't fit, swap in a different reference image. There's no need to reorganize any files, regenerate, or reconnect anything. You can see the results immediately. Second, AI-projected textures. This feature is even more practical. You're not just generating an image to look at. You can directly project the AI-generated image onto your 3D model. For example, if you have a model of a bag, a pair of shoes, a piece of clothing, or a prop, and you want to redesign its surface texture, you can find a traditional Chinese pattern, a cyberpunk design, an embroidery motif, metallic decorations, or a hand-drawn illustration, any style you like, and project it directly onto the model for a preview. In the end, you can even bake the effects on each surface into actual textures. In other words, AI helps you quickly generate concept art, and then you turn that concept art into real textures on your model. With this kind of workflow, you can streamline the entire process from design to implementation, provide you with immediate feedback as you work, and also create some simple assets that AI is currently capable of handling. At this point, some of you might be wondering, what if I want the generated image to be turned directly into a 3D model? And what if the projected texture isn't high enough in resolution? Or if I need multiple viewpoints? Don't worry, that's exactly what we'll be discussing in our next video. I'm Kay, a 3D artist whose freelance career has lasted longer than many people's entire time in the industry. Hit follow, and if you have any questions, let's chat in the comments.